Alex Stewart here for Unique Drain and Septic. In our last video in the Septic 101 series, we explored how the most common type of septic system works. In this video, we're going to explore a few practices that are going to make living on a septic system a breeze, as well as a few things to avoid when using a septic system. The first thing we're going to explore is how to approach laundry. First, be sure to spread out your loads of laundry to prevent flooding your septic system from overuse. We recommend that you aim for 1 load of laundry per day if at all possible. In order to keep things flowing well, be sure to use a high-quality septic treatment. We recommend using Unique Septic System Digester. Now, Septic System Digester is one of the best ways to safely keep your septic system healthy while extending time between pump outs. It's important to remember that your house guests may be unfamiliar with the best bathroom practices on a septic system. Because of this, it isn't a bad idea to help educate them in a friendly and not awkward way. Thankfully, there are ways to make this conversation a lot less awkward. There's a variety of fun signs and plaques that you can install inside your bathroom that will give your guests the needed information to keep your septic system flowing. When cleaning your home, be sure to use products that won't harm your septic system. Caustic cleaners, bleaches, and antibacterial products that we use all the time on traditional sewage systems will wreak havoc on the health of your septic system. We suggest you use safe products that clean your toilets and showers that also enhance your septic system's bacterial environment. Products like Unique Septic Enhancing Toilet Bowl Cleaner. It's free of all those bleaches and other harmful cleaning agents we mentioned earlier, but it works just as effectively. The best part is it also enhances the bacterial breakdown process that happens inside your septic tank. It's also really important to know the location physically of your septic system and to mark the access points very clearly. Knowing the location and seeing those access points will make your life so much easier when you or someone else needs to access that tank. System inspection is a crucial part of maintaining a healthy septic system. Having a professional inspect and pump your system regularly is crucial in preventing backups or odor issues with your septic system. It's generally recommended that you have your septic system inspected once a year and pumped every 3 to 5 years to prevent any issues. Now that we've explored the best practices when owning a septic system, let's move on to some of the things you'll want to avoid when living on a septic system. There are really only 3 things you want going down your drains: human waste, toilet paper, and water. Flushing coffee grounds, food waste, diapers, contraceptive devices, or feminine hygiene products can lead to really smelly backups or much, much worse. It's also really important to remember to avoid using any products that have any sort of antibacterial qualities to them. Antibacterial soaps are an obvious no-no, but there are also other things out there that contain antibacterial qualities that might surprise you. Anything containing tea tree oil or other natural antibacterial agents can upset that very delicate balance of bacterial growth inside your tank, leading to some major issues in the long run. Be sure to read those ingredient labels before you buy anything that might go down into your septic system. Planting any trees, bushes, or plants around your septic field or near your septic tank can lead to some major problems down the road, because some of the root systems tend to spread wide and can end up doing some major damage to the lateral lines and the septic tank itself. And finally, avoid driving, parking, or building anything over your leach field. You want to prevent any undue weight or pressure from potentially ruining the leach field itself or the lateral lines hidden underneath the surface. By following these important do's and don'ts, you can rest easy knowing that your septic system will continue to flow freely and easily for many years to come. In the next video in our Septic 101 series, we'll explore the top 5 most common septic system problems and how to solve them. In the meantime, please be sure to like this video and leave any recommendations you may have about living on a septic system in the comments below. Also, for more additional information and resources about living on a septic system, follow the link to our website in the description below. Thanks for watching.